Hello, this is Rich Canlione coming to you from CME Group trading floor. Season's greetings and happy Hanukkah to those of us who participate. It appears that what we're seeing is a relatively large short risk trade coming off the table. Pointing to yesterday's thin trading day in the forefront of the Hanukkah holidays, we saw a yield of a 3% rally in equity markets across the board, particularly in the United States. Obviously, the catalyst being somewhat of the good auctions in Europe and the finger pointing to some good housing starts numbers. However, if you take a look at the housing starts numbers, not all that good and not all that enlightening. Because if you take a look at them, they were not single-family homes. They were actually multi-level dwellings, which suggests that people are not buying homes, that what they're doing is renting and so forth. All in all, the single-family homes are still in excess inventory. And again, if you take a look at the hard revision that we saw this morning, you're talking about single-family homes average of negative 14% since 2007. However, because of this large, perhaps a sovereign wealth fund short risk trade coming off the table, the market is still seeing legs to this rally. However, again, are the legs to this rally on a slippery slope? If you take a look at the overtones to the internals, they're still somewhat on the negative side. So, having said all that, let's look at the moving averages. The 8-day moving average, 12.18 even. The 50-day moving average, 12.23 even. And the 100-day moving average in and around the 11.92 level. And if you noticed, the sell-off the previous day basically bounced right on top of that 100-day moving average. So you probably had some bottom pickers there as well. However, pointing to the internals, pointing to the breadth of the market, I don't know that the legs are going to continue into the Santa Claus rally all the way up into the year end. I would suspect that you're going to see some profit taking into that. Again, this is Rich Canlione signing off from the CME Group trading floor. Thanks again.